2025 has just started, and if you are a developer, it's perfect time for you to start thinking about how you can make money. The truth is, there is no one-size-fits-all approach, but whether you are just getting started or already have some experience, there are tons of ways you can start earning with your skills. In this video, I'm going to break down some of the best ways to make money as a developer in 2025. And these aren't just ideas, they're things that actually work. I'm going to share how I have used some of these methods to make money, build my career, and even fund little luxuries like coffee. So let's get into it. I am your average dev, and like you, I'm trying to figure out the best way to grow as a developer and make some money along the way. I've tried freelancing, selling templates, and building SaaS apps. And today, I'm sharing the real strategies I have used to start earning. Let's get into the details. Let's start with freelancing. This is one of the quickest ways to start making money as a developer. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopDoll lets you find clients who need help with their projects. But here's the catch. You need to show them what you can deliver. One of the best ways to do this is by having a portfolio ready. Now, I know not everyone has a ton of past projects to showcase, but that is where templates and demos come in. For example, I built a course selling platform template, and it's not something I came up with out of nowhere. It was an idea I had because I wanted to build a course platform for myself, and I thought, why not turn it into a template for others? I got 2 clients in just 1 week, and all I had to do was update the design slightly to match their brand. Both projects were wrapped up in less than a week, and just like that, I had 2 paying clients. Having a working demo of your project makes a huge difference. It shows your potential clients that you can actually build what they need. So if you're offering a freelance service, try to have a demo ready that shows the type of work you do. Build a small project, maybe something that solves a simple problem. It could be a marketplace, a course platform, or even a professional finance tracker app. And always remember, clients need to see the results before they trust you to handle their project. Next, let's talk about selling templates. This is where you build something once and then you can sell it over and over again. It's not as passive as people make it sound, but if you're able to build something useful, the revenue can be consistent. For example, I have built a few templates myself, a marketplace platform, a course selling platform, and now I'm working on a financial aggregator app. All of these can be bought and used by anyone who wants to launch something similar. The idea is simple. You build something once that solves a real problem, package it into a reusable template, and sell it. It's not about selling a magic bullet. It's about selling a head start. People buy templates to save time. They don't want to reinvent the wheel. So by selling a quality template, you are already giving them a framework they can work on, saving them hours of development time. I started with 1 template, and each time I build something new, I improve it. Average template is my way of giving people access to tools that make their development process easier. And yes, selling templates work. You don't need a huge following to get started. Just build something that people can use. Now let's talk about building SaaS products. Building a SaaS might sound intimidating, but it doesn't have to be complicated. A lot of people think they need to build something massive like Slack or Netflix to be successful, but that is not true. You can start small. I built a portfolio generator app called Nextjs. It's a simple app where developers can create an online portfolio, and right now I have about 10 active users. I didn't build it because I had some groundbreaking idea. I built it because I needed a portfolio app, and I thought, why not make it into a SaaS? The key to SaaS is not to reinvent the wheel, but to build something that solves a real problem. It could be a simple to-do list app, a note-taking tool, or even a budgeting tool. Your app doesn't have to be unique. You can even replicate something that already exists, but target a different market or region. The possibilities are endless. For example, Nextjs wasn't some world-changing app. It's a tool that solves a problem for developers who need to showcase their work. And because of that, I can afford to grab some good coffee every day. It's not big, but it's something that adds value to my life and to my users. Now let's talk about content creation, but not in the way you might think. I'm not talking about becoming the next YouTube star with millions of views. I'm talking about monetizing your content in a way that works for you. I started my YouTube channel, Your Average Dev, as a way to document my journey. I'm nowhere near a YouTube sensation. I have only 115 subscribers right now, but content creation can still be a great way to make money. You can start small with tutorials, case studies, or even sharing your experience with building products. As your channel or blog grows, you can monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, and even sell your own products. I'm not saying I'm making a ton of money from YouTube, but it's a great way to build an audience and share your expertise. And as your channel grows, so does your opportunities to monetize. There are other ways to make money as a developer that you should consider, like affiliate marketing, selling ebooks or courses, open source sponsorships. You just need to explore and find the right niche for you. So there you have it. Freelancing, selling templates, building SaaS, and content creation are all proven ways to make money as a developer in 2025. It's not about getting rich overnight, but it's about starting. Build something, help people, and learn along the way. It's easy to get caught up in what everyone else is doing, but the key is to find something that works for you and stick with it. If you're interested in checking out my templates, you can find them on Average Template. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.